Colin, ICAM architect, work for Federal Identity. We're going to be talking about Oracle Linux. My company's based out of Virginia. I do a lot of work with the federal government, and I absolutely love how I can go out, get the Oracle Linux, develop something with the identity access management, and be able to deploy it, test it, and work on it very, very quickly. So that's absolutely what I love, how portable it is and how much it relates. So if the enterprise I work for has licenses for Red Hat, all right, I don't have to go get a license from Red Hat to start working on my Oracle product. But I can, once it's developed in Oracle Linux, I can easily take it and adapt it and move it onto Red Hat, and it works seamlessly. At an organizational level, I would love to see them going more Oracle Linux, actually adapting that, getting rid of a little bit of the Red Hat notion that Red Hat's the best, right? I want to see Oracle Linux. It's expanding. I think all the stuff that you guys are doing with analytics and all this work with the autonomous database, it's only going to get to the point where you can have autonomous OSs, and Linux is going to be autonomous. So why not move to Oracle Linux now? It'll be easier to move off in the future. Yeah, so stability, scalability, like I said, I compare directly with Red Hat. In some things, the packages, the ability to reach out to the Oracle Yum packages and do automatic updates, it gives you ability to scale. Patching, there's quarterly patches. I actually think you guys do like bi-weekly patches now for Oracle Linux. So scalability, as long as you have someone to manage it, you're good to go. And it's right up there with reliability with the Red Hat stuff. Yeah, so I can't tell you an experience about the Oracle Linux, my support, but Oracle support in general, I have to put in tickets for identity management all the time. They usually come back with the severity of the problem within a reasonable amount of time, and I always get what I need. Some of the kernels, like the kernel could get expanded, a little bit more maximized to work with Kubernetes and stuff like that. I think that's probably where you all are going to go. A little bit more orchestration, system maintenance management. The ability to do self-diagnostics, really, right? Run one command and it runs, top, head, memory, tell me what's going on. The ability for the OS in itself to regulate itself, to do self-diagnostics. So you can take out the Unix admins and the Unix supports. Tell me what's really wrong right now in the OS. What's it look like right now? Yeah, I mean, if you don't know Linux, then go learn some Linux. But relatively, if you want to set up a virtual box, set up the Oracle Linux stuff, it's pretty much, drag, drop, click, click, click. Yeah. Listen, I wish my enterprise would adapt it, so I'll give it a 10 in my book, but I guess we'll have to give it a 7 and 8 from an enterprise level, just because they haven't bought in yet. So benefits is, if you can start with Oracle Linux, you can adapt to any of the Oracle products a little bit easier than any other OS. So if you're going to go into the Oracle industry, learn Oracle Linux, learn the ins and outs, and it'll help you out. But like I said, with the whole cloud infrastructure and the whole cloud architecture, I think Oracle Linux is the way to go.